Did you know that just 5 basic movements can completely transform how your body feels and functions? Let's get straight into the first one. The dead hang. You've probably seen people simply dangling from a bar and thought, that can't be doing much. But actually, this motion works wonders for your shoulders, spine, and grip. If you don't have a gym membership, no problem. A simple doorway pull-up bar at home works just fine. Especially if you're someone who sits a lot during the day, learning to hang the right way is important. All you need is something sturdy to hold on to overhead. Grab it with your hands a bit wider than shoulder width apart. Allow your body to hang naturally. Keep your abs slightly engaged, and don't shrug your shoulders. Stay relaxed. Begin by holding for 20 to 30 seconds and build up from there. It might look easy, but it takes effort, so start small. Now that we've taken care of your shoulders and grip, let's move to your hips and core. The next move is the glute bridge. It's perfect for activating the glutes, improving core control, and helping with stiff hips. Many people don't realize how important this area is until it causes problems later. When your glutes are weak, your lower back often takes the hit. Strengthening this area helps you walk, lift, and move with ease. This is a go-to move for anyone feeling tight or dealing with back discomfort. Here's how you do it. Lie down with your feet flat, knees bent, and your feet at hip width. Push through your heels and lift your hips up until your body forms a straight line from your shoulders to your knees. Squeeze your glutes at the top, keep your core tight, then lower down with control. Try to hold for a few seconds at the top for maximum benefit. Want more challenge? Try lifting one leg or add some weight to your hips. Next up, we're adding movement and strength with the farmer's carry. It may look simple, just walking with something heavy in each hand, but don't let that fool you. This move engages nearly every part of your body. It strengthens your shoulders, grip, core, and even improves balance. Plus, it's super practical. Think of tasks like bringing in groceries or moving bags. This prepares your body for all of it. To try it out, grab 2 heavy items you can hold securely. Dumbbells, bags, kettlebells, anything that works. Stand tall, chest lifted, shoulders back. Brace your core like someone's about to tap your stomach. Then begin walking slowly and steadily. Keep your steps even and don't let the weight pull you to one side. Aim for 30 to 60 seconds per round, and over time, you can carry more weight or walk longer. Now we switch gears and focus on improving your mobility. The resting squat is one of the most natural positions for the human body. But because of how much time we spend in chairs, many of us have lost the ability to stay in this position comfortably. This deep squat improves your flexibility, strengthens your legs, and boosts the function of your ankles, knees, and hips. It's super useful for daily things like picking things up or sitting on the floor without discomfort. To do it right, stand with feet a little wider than shoulder width. Let your toes point slightly out. Slowly lower your body into a deep squat. Try to keep your heels on the floor and your chest lifted. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds at first. If balance is tricky, you can hold onto something solid like a table or countertop. Make sure you don't rise onto your toes and keep your knees aligned with your feet. This one takes time, so ease into it. As you get more comfortable, aim to stay down for longer. Now, let's bring in the last move, thread the needle. This one focuses on rotational mobility, which is often forgotten in most routines. It targets the middle of your spine, the upper back, and shoulders, all areas that get tight from sitting too much. This twist-based stretch helps your body move more naturally and reduces the tightness that builds up from repetitive daily habits. It's a must if your upper body often feels locked up or stiff. Here's the breakdown. Start on your hands and knees. Keep your hands below your shoulders and knees below your hips. Take one arm and slide it under the other, like you're reaching across the floor. Let your body follow the movement and turn your head to look at your moving hand. Stretch that arm fully and hold. Then reverse it. Bring the arm back through and reach up toward the sky. Again, follow the movement with your eyes. Don't rush. Slow and steady wins here. If you want a little extra challenge, add a small weight or resistance band to your hand. Now let's pull all of this together into a short, effective routine you can do 3 times a week. Start with dead hangs. 3 rounds of 30 seconds. Work your way up to a minute or more as you improve. Then move to glute bridges. 2 sets of 10 to 15 reps. After that, do the farmer's carry. Walk for 30 to 60 seconds, 3 rounds. Next, practice thread the needle. 2 rounds of 10 reps per side. Finish strong with the resting squat, 2 to 3 rounds of 20 to 30 seconds. Take about a minute to rest between each set. The full session should take roughly 20 minutes. It's simple, balanced, and it covers strength, flexibility, and mobility. Stick with it 3 times a week and you'll start seeing changes in how you move, feel, and function. And hey, if this sounds like something someone you know could benefit from, go ahead and pass it on. Let's help more people feel better in their bodies. By the way, friends, see you soon for more interesting facts about human health.